Oh, here comes that one.
Hey.
He's walking slowly. Oh, look, he's getting up. God, he's so big. I think it's funny that bear is walking the trail. Look. He's like, my turn.
Oh, no.
Oh, I thought he was going to get in the water. I think Budrow here is, though.
He's probably like, okay, I've had enough, back to the water. Yep.
Yep.
What is he, like, drying himself or something?
Looks like he's humping the
I don't know what
rock.
it looks like, but...
I want to get in from...
He's a little too big. He's bigger. Uh-oh. Next stop.
Next stop.
What happened to
Where's the next stop?
I think he's itching. He's scratching.
He's scratching, yeah.
I think he was trying to scratch his belly on the rock because then he was scratching his butt.